Hey guys, what's up? Nate here with your Funnel Pro. In today's video, I want to talk about what is a funnel and why you need one in your business. So what I've drawn up on this board is a funnel, and I want to walk you through how this works. So traditionally, businesses think they need a website. That's what most businesses start with, is when they're trying to create their online presence, is they'll go create a cookie cutter standard website. The problem with websites is there's lots of options, lots of buttons, lots of distractions, and very rarely is there any sort of clear call to action to get that visitor to transact with you, whether it's an actual sale or giving you their information in exchange for something of value like a lead magnet, so that you can build your database of contacts to turn into customers. What a funnel does is it allows you to take that person, that visitor, that online lead through a series of online steps to guide them to an end result. So now, instead of there being a maze or they're bouncing around trying to find what they're looking for, you're presenting that to them and then guiding them through a series of steps, kind of like a traditional sales process where you would introduce yourself to somebody, ask them qualifying questions, find out what they're looking for, and then help guide them to the right product. We're doing the same thing online. So how this works is we have all the people out there outside of our, just out there in the internet, out in the marketplace, and we have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, just all of the social media. And our goal is to attract our ideal client avatar, our ideal client, to us through our marketing. So marketing could be paid advertising, it could be organic, it could just be through our social media activity. We talk about different things, talk about what our business is, how we help people, provide value to the marketplace, and then present offers to people to help them take advantage of what we have to offer. So it starts off by attracting all these people out in cyberspace and out in the marketplace. To do that, like I said, we're going to do that either through paid advertising or through just our activity on social media, or so organic traffic. Now, once we've attracted them through our marketing, now we want to send them to an offer. That offer, depending on if you're trying to capture leads about your database, that offer might be a free lead magnet. It could be a free ebook, a free e-guide, a checklist, a top 5 things, a video report, or something like that. There's many different types of lead magnets out there, but basically you're putting something of value that is important to your target audience, and in exchange for providing that value, they give you their name, email, and maybe their phone number. Now you've added them to your database. Now, if you're trying to sell a product or service, maybe, for example, if you have a book that you're trying to sell, you might do a free plus shipping offer on the front end. So you're basically giving your book away, but then you might have an upsell and a downsell to help for products or services that complement or enhance or provide more value to the book that they're getting. That's how a sales funnel would work. We have some upsells and some downsells. And how that works is you're actually guiding them on that process, kind of like that more traditional sales process where you present an offer to them. Hey, get this. Now, would you like to upgrade to this? Would you like to add this? Cars, different salesmen do that. And so that's kind of what you're doing here, is you're presenting those different options to just help them get the most value out that they can. And the service that I use to build out my funnels is called ClickFunnels. They are an awesome tool, one of the best on the market. They really help you create these funnels quickly, and also allow you to do things like split testing, so you can test different offers to see which one resonates with the audience the best, very simply, very quickly. Obviously, if you've never used it before, there's always a learning curve depending on where you're at, and that's what I specialize in, is helping people learn that software and learn how to use funnels. So I can definitely help you there. So next, after they've opted in for either to become a lead or they purchased something from you, they're going to be added to your database, so your CRM and your automation. And that's when you start following up with them. So there's many different ways to follow up. You can do email marketing, you can do Facebook Messenger, like Facebook Messenger bots, you can do our Facebook Messenger automation, you can do texting, you can do phone calls. Everything that goes into follow-up is here, and you manage that through your CRM and your automation. And the nice thing is ClickFunnels integrates with all the major CRMs and allows you to automate those processes. ClickFunnels has their own internal automation software, and then also there's other great ones like ActiveCampaign and similar options that do both. If you're going to go with a third party, I like ActiveCampaign because it provides you that CRM and email marketing tool in one. So it's a good, robust tool for doing something like that. Next, after they're in your automation, they're in your CRM, now you're just providing more value to them and more offers. So, if get not part of this video, I'll do another video. We'll talk about the concept of a value ladder, which is just different types of products and services that you can offer at different value, different price points to allow people to ascend and build that relationship with you, and allow you to build a relationship with them. And ultimately, you're providing value to customers, they're happy, and you're making money in your business by creating a more more streamlined process for your customer to do business with you, and you're able to provide value all along the way. If you guys have any questions about funnels, if you guys want to try out ClickFunnels, there's a link below where you can go get a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels, as well as some other resources that I recommend if you're wanting to learn more about this whole process and how it works. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Drop a comment below if you like this video, or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, definitely cover it in a future video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.